How to create a rules channel in Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Discord application on your device. Select the server in which you want to include the rules channel. Click on the plus icon. Then after you will see a prompt of creating a new channel. So simply provide the type of the channel and also the name, and then at the bottom right corner click on create channel. Now once the channel has been created, choose the option of edit channel, go to permission and click on everyone and make sure all these features are available. Then click on save change. Now once the channel has been created, type the text of your rules in Discord server, double click on it and pin the message in the server. Once you click on pin message, this prompt will appear. Again click on OK, pin it, and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.